Welcome to historical statistics for the 2024 Miss Universe pageant. 129 countries will compete in the preliminary competition for Miss Universe 2024. This is the largest number in the history of the organization. Prior to that, the record was 94 countries in 2018, and that competition was held in Thailand. For the first time, the pageant will award continental winners after the preliminary competition. The first cut of the show will narrow the contestants from 129 down to 30. 83 of the countries competing in the 2024 competition have had placements at Miss Universe in the past. 57 countries have had top 5 placements. 44 of the countries have never placed. And 33 of this year's countries have had a Miss Universe winner. Nearly half of those countries, totaling 15, have had 2 or more Miss Universes. This year, 17 countries are hopeful they will take home their country's second Miss Universe crown. The country with the longest time passed since their last Miss Universe win is Peru, who was crowned in 1957. That is also the country's only Miss Universe win. Within the past decade, Peru has placed 5 times. Their highest placement of the past decade was second runner-up in 2020. USA currently holds the record for the most Miss Universe wins, totaling 9. Their most recent winner was Arbany Gabriel, Miss Universe 2022, who was crowned in New Orleans, Louisiana. Venezuela has the second most Miss Universe wins, totaling 7. Their last win was in 2013. In 2022, they nearly captured their 8th title when Venezuela placed first runner-up. Miss Venezuela 2013 was selected as Miss Universe 2013, and she was crowned by Olivia Culpo, who represented the U.S. in 2012. Venezuela is notably the only country to ever achieve a back-to-back win in the history of the Miss Universe organization, when Diana Mendoza crowned Stefania Fernandez as Miss Universe 2009. The 2 countries that most recently almost achieved a back-to-back win are South Africa in 2018 and Colombia in 2015. Coincidentally, the Philippines blocked both of those back-to-back wins. Coming in third with the most Miss Universe wins is Puerto Rico, with 5 Miss Universe title holders. In recent years, Puerto Rico has come very close to taking home their next Miss Universe crown. In 2022 and 2023, they finished in the top 5. In 2019, they were awarded as first runner-up. When it comes to overall placements in the Miss Universe organization, USA has a record number of 67 placements at the pageant. Venezuela follows the US with 47 placements. And coming in third for the most placements at Miss Universe is Brazil. Out of Brazil's 40 placements at Miss Universe, 2 of them have resulted in the Miss Universe crown. In 2024, 13 new countries are debuting at the Miss Universe competition. And although it's rare for a country to place their first year, in 2023, Pakistan beat the odds by placing in the top 20 for her country's Miss Universe debut, proving that it is possible to place on your first try. In 2024, only 8 countries are on a placement streak, meaning that 2 or more of their previous title holders have placed consecutively. Currently, the U.S. has the longest running placement streak. Their past 13 queens have placed at Miss Universe. Following them is Puerto Rico with 6 contestants that placed consecutively, and India coming in third with 5 queens that have placed in the past 5 years. When India placed in the top 5 in 2021, they also took home the Miss Universe title, and this was the country's 3rd Miss Universe crown. Miss Universe India 2024 is vying for the country's 4th crown while being one of the competition's youngest contestants at only 19 years old. Of all of the countries competing this year, here are the winners by region. North America has a record number of 15 Miss Universe winners. South America narrowly follows them with 14 winners. Asia has had 12 Miss Universe winners. Europe has had 10 Miss Universe winners. Island countries and nations have had 9 Miss Universe winners. Africa has had 7 Miss Universe winners. And although Australia is the second to least populated continent in the world, they have had 2 Miss Universe winners. The 2024 Miss Universe pageant will be held in Mexico City, Mexico. The country of Mexico has had 3 Miss Universe winners. Most recently, Mexico was crowned in 2020 in Hollywood, Florida. Each Miss Universe Mexico title holder won their title in the United States. If Mexico wins the 2024 competition, this will be the first time in history that a Miss Mexico won the Miss Universe competition in her own country. The last time a title holder was crowned in her own country was when USA won in 2022. This is the 5th time that the Miss Universe pageant will be held in Mexico. Last time the pageant was held in Mexico was in 2007 when Japan was crowned as Miss Universe. Since Japan's win in 2007, the country has had 3 Miss Universe placements, their highest overall placement being in the top 10. In 2023, Shanice won Nicaragua's first Miss Universe crown. So in 2024, this is their first attempt at a back-to-back win. Prior to Shanice's win for Nicaragua, the last title holder to bring home their country's first Miss Universe title was Angola in 2011. If Nicaragua is successful in achieving a back-to-back win, this will be the first time that a country has won their second Miss Universe title on a back-to-back win. Last year, Thailand placed first runner-up to Miss Nicaragua. Australia placed second runner-up. If either Thailand or Australia wins the 2024 competition, they will take home their country's third Miss Universe crown. Another country inching towards the crown is Colombia. If Colombia places this year, it will be their 6th consecutive placement. Last year, Colombia made history when she entered the top 5 as the first ever mother to place in the top 5 of the Miss Universe competition. If Colombia wins, this will be their 36th placement at Miss Universe and their 3rd Miss Universe title. But now everybody is wondering, will Shanice's successor be a powerhouse country, a country that has never placed, or a country that has never won? Let me know what you think in the comments. Who will take home the coveted Miss Universe 2024 title?